Electrica Bike Hub channel. Today, we're diving into the world of electric bikes, specifically the ENGWE Electric Bike 1000W, men's mountain bike snow bike electric bicycle. This is a fantastic e-bike that offers an incredible range of features and benefits for both novice and experienced cyclists alike. First off, let's talk about the power. The ENGWE electric bike has a 1000W high-power motor that can take you where you need to go quickly. Not only does this make it ideal for daily commuting, but it's also perfect for weekend adventures. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or navigating snowy paths, this e-bike can handle it all. Next up, we have the battery life. The ENGWE electric bike is equipped with a high-capacity lithium battery that provides up to 50 miles of range on a single charge. That means you can worry less about recharging and more about enjoying your ride. Now let's talk about comfort and safety features. The ENGWE electric bike comes with shock absorbers that ensure a smooth ride, even on uneven surfaces. It also has disc brakes that provide reliable stopping power in all weather conditions, keeping you safe while riding. Additionally, it has an LCD display that provides important information like speed, distance traveled, and battery life, making it easy to monitor your ride. Overall, the ENGWE Electric Bike 1000W men's mountain bike snow bike electric bicycle is an excellent choice for anyone looking for an e-bike that combines power, efficiency, and comfort. If you'd like to learn more about other bike models or explore our collection of accessories and gear, check out our website at www.ebike.com or follow us on social media at ebike.com. Thanks for tuning in today. Remember, today, we're diving into the world of high-quality mountain bikes, and I'm thrilled to introduce you to this stunning. With its impressive features and performance, it's the perfect choice for any seasoned or aspiring cyclist. This mountain bike is designed to meet the needs of anyone looking for a reliable and durable ride. The 11-speed drivetrain ensures smooth and efficient shifting, while the aluminum alloy frame makes it lightweight and sturdy. The shock-absorbing all-spring forks provide a comfortable ride on any terrain, while the anti-pneumatic shock absorbers ensure a smooth journey. The 27.5-inch wheels are perfect for handling any trail with ease, and the mechanical disc brakes provide safe and reliable stopping power. And let's not forget the incredible 200mm travel suspension that allows you to conquer even the most challenging trails with ease. So, if you're looking for a top-of-the-line mountain bike that can handle anything you throw at it, look no further than this aluminum alloy mountain bike for adults. Cycling City 11-speed double damping downhill DH. Bicycle MTB Softail. Thanks for tuning in today. And remember, enjoy your cycling adventures safely. Before you go, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting product reviews. Electric Bicycle K800. Brand new dual motor 48 volts to 3AH. 26 asterisk 4.0. Fat tire hydraulic brake soft tail frame Ebike. Power and energy minus 48 volts 100WX2 motor. Powerful and quiet, large torque. Max.80 and .mx2, super strong explosive force. Vector controller, reliable and efficient. Low power consumption and longer mileage. 48 volts 23Ah hidden lithium battery. Compact size and fast charging. Rechargeable and removable protection function. 2. Brake and pause system, hydraulic disc brake. Brake control systems with power-off protective circuits. Front fork full suspension system with premium comfort shock absorption. Effectively reduces disruption and responds to various road conditions. 3 cycling modes, e-bike and assisted bicycle and bicycle. Enjoying long time travel and exercise at the same time. Speed sensor, Shimano 21 speed and 5 assistant levels on display. Set the comfortable speed freely you like. 3. Material and structure, aluminum alloy frame. Durable and stable. A wide-spaced Nobi tread that offers excellent traction. Durable in all condition road, more than safe. Glance, fast and stable for your cycling. Strong and compact design in structure. Perfect for commuter, senior, casual rider, or sports fan. 4. Riding experience, max speed, 45 to 50 kilometers per hour. Equipped with smart lithium. Battery charger for fast charging 7 to 8 hours. Assisted bike mode 60 kilometers.
Electric bicycle ENGWE dual motor 48 volts. 17.5 R 26 x 3.0. Fat tire hydraulic brake soft tail frame a bike. Power and energy 48 V10ROWX2 motor. Powerful and quiet, large torque. Max 80 Nm(x2). Super strong explosive force. Vector controller, reliable and efficient. Low power consumption and longer mileage. 48 volts 17.5Ah hidden lithium battery. Compact size and fast charging. Rechargeable and removable protection function. 2. Brake and PAS system hydraulic disc brake. Brake control systems with power-off protective circuits. Front fork full suspension system with premium comfort shock absorption. Effectively reduces disruption and responds to various road conditions. 3 cycling modes, e-bike and assisted bicycle and bicycle. Enjoying long time travel and exercise at the same time. Speed sensor, Shimano 7 speed and 5 assistant levels on display. Set the comfortable speed freely you like. 3. Material and structure, aluminum alloy frame. Durable and stable. A wide-spaced Nobi tread that offers excellent traction, with mud and water shedding capabilities. Perfect for commuter, senior, casual rider or sports fan. 4. Riding experience, max speed 45-50 km/h. Equipped with smart lithium battery charger for fast charging 7-8 HRS. Assisted bike mode 60 km. Durable in all condition road, more than safe. Strong and compact design in structure. Glance, fast and stable for your cycling.
Meet the URC HDAR78OOW for